Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your headphones BEATS Solo3 from the application. And let's get started with open the application, and right here we have no button to remove our headphones. So what we can do? We have a few options. The first one is to just turn off your headphones. And right now, as you can see, it just disappeared from the application, so we can't use it. But also, we have another option. We can go to the settings, connected devices, click the settings icon here near to your headphones. And right here we have the disconnect option or to unpair it. So if you don't need your headphones here, you just unpair it and it will disappear from the application. Or you can disconnect it, and if we return to the application, we will see the same situation, and it's the same with unpair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!